Okay guys, so what's up? I did change the transmission range sensor, right? As you guys can see from the last video, I'm gonna attach it. My Jeep Grand Cherokee 2012 Limited 5.7, it's not connecting, right? So this is it. When I hit run, right, all the lights come on. I'm still getting that. I'm getting airbag light that comes off, so I'm still getting my check engine light. I'm getting this, my parking service system, which is an ABS problem. Now this goes away, but I'm still not able to get any sign in gear. And not only is this happening, when I hold the brake and I go to try to, you hear it clicking. I'm not so sure if the camera's catching it, but you hear my relay clicking. So it's not that. It's not a problem of the relay. It's just that the car is still on some sort of limp mode, right? So I cannot, I need this to read P or neutral in order for it to go on, and I can't. Not only that, I'm also experiencing, it's a little dark, but I'm also experiencing my OBD2 port won't connect. It chooses to connect when it wants to. I'm not too sure if that's that has to have something to do with the culprit of the problem, but I'm kind of stuck. If anybody has experienced this, I do have certain codes that I will attach pictures of. It's saying the low power voltage on my TCM, and another code. I'm gonna attach those if somebody can help me.